so today we're going to talk about subtracting integers. We're going to start with some vocabulary. The first thing I want you to make sure that you understand is inverse operations. The word inverse means opposite. So inverse operations would be opposite operations. Addition and subtraction are inverse. Multiplication and division are inverse. And as we go on in pre-algebra this year, you're going to learn that to undo addition, you use subtraction. To undo multiplication, you use division. But right now, I just want you to understand what inverse operations are. So I'm going to tell you the rule for subtraction. Simple rule. And if you follow this rule, it always works. So let's have negative 6 minus negative 2. The rule is you leave the first number the same. It says negative 6, it's going to say negative 6. You change the subtraction operation to addition. So subtraction becomes addition. And you take the opposite of negative 2. Now remember in a previous segment we talked about opposite. Opposite is the number on the same distance from 0 on the other side of the number line. So negative 2, its opposite would be 2. Now I have an addition problem, which you learned before. Negative 6 plus 2, I take absolute values and I subtract and I get 4. Which one has a greater absolute value? Negative 6, so it would be negative 4. And your answer would be negative 4. Let's do another one. Let's do 12 minus 18. 12 stays the same as 12. Subtraction becomes addition. And 18, we need its opposite, which is negative 18. So now my problem is an addition problem. 12 plus negative 18. I subtract. Which one has a greater absolute value? The 18, and it's negative, so my answer would be negative 6. So that's the subtraction in a nutshell, and it really is just a rule that you have to learn. I can show you lots of different ways of proving this rule. I won't do that right now because I think it's more important that you just learn the rule and not get confused.